I would say one of the trends we're seeing that it's more so when it's an inbound environment, whether it's customer service or just an inbound conversation, because of, and I mean, we want to set AI aside, but because AI is starting to automate a lot of things, there is now this availability of the agent, more availability of the agent than there was before, to where being more proactive and predictive. Like if there's something that goes wrong, if you have a customer base and there's something going on with the customer, that you reach out proactively to help them with whatever problems they're having. So we're seeing this shift towards being more proactive in your engagement from a customer service standpoint of view, by being able to have the data of what's happening, right? And making use of that and being plugged into it, you'll be able to figure out you'll be able to predict what's coming, and therefore reach out to your customer and try to help them resolve that problem. And if you can think about, if you have a problem with something and customer service calls you or somebody calls you to help you out, it's very powerful to have that ability